If you've always wanted to draw flowers but never knew where to start, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to show you the simplest way to draw beautiful florals even if you're a total beginner. Hey friends, welcome back. Today we're drawing lovely cosmos blooms. So my number one tip for drawing flowers is to always start with a light pencil guide. For the first flower, which is facing directly toward us, draw a large simple circle as your main guide. Next, draw a smaller inner circle for the stamen, which is the center of the flower. Now draw light guidelines radiating outwards from the center circle. These lines will help you place your petals evenly around the bloom. Once your guides are in place, begin drawing your petals, letting them flow along the pencil lines. For our second flower, this one is slightly angled, so we will use an oval shape instead. So this instantly gives it depth and perspective. So repeat the steps that we did for the first flower. Notice how the petals on this angled bloom follow the curve of the oval guide. With the guidelines complete, it's time to make this permanent. Take your fine liner or ink pen and carefully trace over all your pencil work. After everything is inked, erase all your initial pencil guides so only the clean ink lines remain. Finally, if you like, you can add soft shading to give your flowers dimension and texture. And that's it. You've just created your first flower drawing using simple guides, clean outlines, and soft shading. So if you keep practicing this method, you'll be amazed at how quickly your floral sketches grow and improve. So if you love drawing flowers, practicing creativity, or just slowing down for a few minutes each week, I'd love to have you here. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you in the next one.